Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Sorry we've been having a little bit of delay in our videos. You know how life can get. But I decided to do this look on my sister and we recorded it. So if you want to know how this look turned out and how she created it, just go ahead and stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you comment, let us know what you want our next video to be. And if there's a specific look you guys like for us to create, please comment down below and we'll be sure to create it for you guys. Again, don't forget to stay tuned and keep on watching.